Hello, my friend. Yes, Mabel Katz here because I wanted to personally tell you that I have a very special offer for you. I put together all the zero frequency trainings, great trainings, like zero frequency finding your purpose and the brainstorming, amazing opportunities to find your passion. What is your number one passion? And do you know that you always have to choose towards your passion? Many times we go off track and we don't know why our life is not working. For me, it's very important that you know who you are, that you find your passion, that you know that you are here because you are very important and you have a purpose and a mission. And I want to be part of that. Would you allow me? 25% off the whole thing. And it also includes a live seminar that I did with Dr. Ihaleakalá in Los Angeles. That was my very first zero frequency training, and he presented with me. He was part of it. When he saw the manual that I created, he said, "Who thought of this? This is very good." Can you imagine how I felt? Well, I want you to really enjoy it. And again, 25% off for the whole thing.